Hello, biology. Welcome. My name is Mr. Wagner, and this is Amazing Grace Virtual Academy Biology, Semester 1. All right, let's jump right into it. We'll give a little introduction about the class and how the thing operates, and hopefully answer any questions you might have. So here is our biology class, and it looks like we scroll down. There's our picture. That way you know it's us. Let's see what we've got. We've got some announcements. I don't think I have anything in there, but if we did have announcements, that's where it would go. Oftentimes, I will also just send out emails to everybody. There's only 5 people in this class, so it's pretty easy to just send it out directly to everybody. Here's a little bit about, my instructor's office. There is my email address as well as my cell phone. Best way to get a hold of me is send me a text message. Send me a text message, and if you have something like a paper or something that you need questions about, you can submit that through email because my phone might not be able to open it. But if you send me a text message saying, hey, Mr. Wagner, I just sent an email, I'll get the text message on my phone wherever I am. Sometimes I don't always check my emails on a timely basis. Text message is the best way to get a hold of me. And just say, hey, I got a question about something. I'll get back to you as best as I can. And if you have something to submit, like a paper or something, you can attach that to an email at pastor.wagner@gmail.com. Okay, so there's that. Let's see what else we got. Scroll down a little more. There's just some general purpose forum talking. Don't think there's much in here, but if we have a discussion, all the discussions that we have, basically avoid any profanity, obviously anything that would be not appropriate, and just keep all your posts up, of course. So this is a video from last year. Once I'm completed this video, I'll upload it and put it in this place, but it says watch me first. So here's what it looks like last year. Last year, it was a little bit different. You can kind of see.
Hi, welcome, biology.
So you see there's a little bit different layout for Moodle. So we changed it. There was a little different picture as well. But that's the idea of what you got, is what that would look like. Let's go back. So the new Watch Me video will be up in there. And then there's a course syllabus. You can go through that. I do not have an assignment of schedules. I'll show you how it works. I usually post everything a couple weeks in advance, and I will always give you long-term assignments. You'll see when we look ahead. There's a discussion rubric about if we do have discussions. Here is your article reviews. So you're going to click on one of these. When we have an article review, you'll have 12 of them this semester, one every week. And you'll click on this, and I'm going to open it up down here. It opens up down at the bottom, and it looks something like this. There it is. And then you'll just use this and copy this, and then you'll save it as article review number 2 with your name, article review number 3 with your name, whatever it is, article review number 4. And there's a whole video on how to do these, so that's coming up as well. So we'll touch on that when we get to there. And here are our units. The rest of these are hidden from you, but our first unit is plants, leaves, and microscope use. Unit number 2 is going to be flowers, fruits, and seeds. Number 3 is cytology. That's talking about cells. DNA and RNA, genetics, taxonomy, dichotomous keys. And then we're already done with the first semester. Looks like we have our final exam and the course survey. So when you open up yours, the only thing that you'll be able to see is just the first unit only. So let's take a look. So we click on that, and what we're going to do is you'll go to these pages, and the pages will talk about what I need to do in week 1. And it's got the dates on there, August 29th through September 1st. So let's look on that one. And as you look, it's going to have every single day this week and exactly what you need to do. So it looks like Tuesday, you have 5 things to complete. Watch the video. That's what you're doing now. Print out the note packet. You'll need this for Thursday, August 31st. We're going to take notes. Please make sure you have some colored pencils. You'll use them not just for 1 or 2 projects, but just about every unit we have something where we have to color things, not only first semester, but also first and second semester. And then you're going to read through the syllabus. We saw where that was in the opening, and then an icebreaker discussion. So we're going to post that, and just a little bit about yourself. And then it looks like Wednesday it says what I need to do. You can respond to all your friends' posts, all the other classmates. I think there's only 5 people in class, so 4 other people. And then it looks like complete the characteristics of life lab worksheet. And then here's what I need to do Thursday. And then here's what I need to do Friday. And then again, looking ahead, looks like I'm going to tell you right away that our first Unit 1 test is Tuesday, September 19th. It looks like we also have no class coming up this coming Monday. That's nice. And then our first major project is called the BioPlus project. We'll actually introduce that next week, but here I'm just giving you the date for when that's due. So if you have big things coming up, it's in the look ahead. All right, so that's pretty easy to follow. Let's go back. All right, and so we read through that first thing of what we need to do. That's the page right here. And then it looks like there's my note packet. So I'm going to print that out if you can. Maybe have a parent do it at work or something if you can, or a printer at home. Here's the icebreaker activity. So it says talk a little bit about your name, where you're from, city, state, things like that. Just a little bit about you. And then you're going to enter the chat and then post some of those things. Let's go back and then let's see what else we got. So there's the chat. And it looks like I said tomorrow is the characteristics of life. There's the video and worksheet, and there is then the assignment. So once you complete the worksheet, you're just going to save it, and then you're going to go here and submit it. So this is where you submit it under assignments. Those are ones that you submit. And then there's the note packet again if for some reason you didn't have it printed out. Here's our video, or I'm sorry, this is the PowerPoint about that. So you'll watch the PowerPoint, and I think the PowerPoint is on here if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, this is the one. Yep, and then this is the other one. So anyway, you'll watch this and fill in the notes. And here's our article review. Again, there's a whole video on completing your article review right there. And it looks like I'm going to post for you already what we need to do next week. So you can look ahead. That's why I don't have a schedule for the whole year, because basically I'll always keep you a week ahead of time. So not only do you have this week's, but you can actually look ahead and see what are we doing next week. It's all posted on here. Looks like no class on Monday. There's Tuesday, there's Wednesday, there's Thursday, Friday. So you can look ahead as far as what we're doing. Everything is listed there. When stuff is due, bold is when things are due. So due today, Wednesday. So if you want to get started on it early, knowing, hey, this is due Wednesday, this is due Thursday, all that good stuff, you can do that. Go back again and look ahead. So there's my second post, what I need to do. There's some of the review questions that are going to be due. There's some more note packet pages. And it looks like I got some more notes. Parts of a leaf quiz. We'll open that up. It's probably not going to be open yet, but when it's time to open it, it'll be open. And then there's your article review number 2. So you can click on that. You get to choose your own topic for that one. And then look, I've even got what we need to do week 3. So everything is pretty easy and laid out for you for the whole first unit. Let's see if I got week 4, even what I need to do week 4. So you can look all the way ahead and find out exactly what we're doing this whole unit. And then once I get to week 4, I'll open up the next one on flower, fruits, and seeds. And then you can look ahead and see exactly what I need to do the week ahead of time. As always, I'll give you 2 weeks. So you not only see what's this week, but you can look ahead for what's next week. I'll try to do that. Open it up so you always look 2 weeks ahead. That way you should be pretty comfortable as far as what you need to do and what's going on. All right. I think that's about all that I've got. If you have any questions, again, send me a text message. I'll be happy to help as best I can. But it's pretty self-explanatory as we go along. Just make sure article reviews are not turned in late. Any other late work, like if there's an assignment due on Friday and you turn it in a couple days late, you lose 5% or 10%. I can't remember which one it is. Every day it's late. So try to make sure and stay on top of things. Again, you can always do things ahead of time. Tests and quizzes will only be open that day. So if there's a quiz on Wednesday, I won't open it until Wednesday morning, and then it'll close Wednesday night. And then if you don't take it, then I'll have to reopen it, but then you'll lose points on it because it's late. All right. That's pretty much all I got. I think it's going to be a fun class. We should learn a lot. And if there's something I made a mistake on, or a video doesn't work, or something doesn't open, please just send me a text and we'll take care of it. All right. Take care. God bless. We'll be in touch again. Bye.